Today is a celebration, or this week is a celebration of Araw ng Digus City. And this is 23rd year Araw ng Digus City. Kaya medyo traffic na siya within the city, especially sa Rizal Avenue. And hindi ako sanay magsalita while capturing the video kasi ako lang mag-isa and antok na ako that time. Kahit 2 basong kape na ang naubos ko, inaantok pa rin ako. Kaya wala ako sa mood na magsalita. And of course, focus ako sa pagdadrive pag ako lang ang mag-isa. Kasi ang hirap magsalita while capturing the video. And I don't have choice. Kailangan ko magtrabaho. And it takes 1 hour and 30 minutes going to my work. And it costs 500 pesos of gasoline back and forth. Using my Suzuki Stingray. This is automatic. And minsan, pag inaantok talaga ako, bababa ako pag hindi ko na kaya. And mag-exercise ng kahit kaunti. And inat-inat muna ng ating katawan. But for this time, kinaya naman kahit antok na ako. Kasi malapit na akong malate. Meron pa kasi akong pinuntahan prior sa aking duty. Well, anyway, kayang-kaya lang naman natin, guys. Kasama ng aking Suzuki Stingray. Sa mga nagtanong kasi, hindi ko sila nare-replyan minsan kasi busy talaga ako. Mga nagtanong, ang gastos namin nito is 220,000 pesos. And binibenta ito usually is 250,000 pesos. Nakuha lang ito sa yarda along the highway ng Santa Cruz of Davao del Sur. Ang tunay na kulay nito is color black and pina-change ni Habi into kulay gray kasi gustong-gusto ko ang color gray. And pina-assemble niya from right-hand drive into left-hand drive kaya acceptable na siya sa Philippines and na-register na namin itong Suzuki Stingray. And actually, this is second renewal of our Suzuki Stingray. Last month, noong August, na-renew namin ito. It costs 4,500 pesos, including na yung insurance. With regards sa change oil ng sasakyan na to, it costs 1,200 to 1,500 pesos only. And dito lang kami nagpapa-change oil. Suking-suki na kasi ni Habi ang Wellman na shop na makikita lamang doon sa Rojas Bataan or Rojas Tandang Sora. Basta dyan lang banda. Again, Wellman shop. Doon kami nagpapa-change oil mula't mula. Kasi suking-suki na ni Habi yung mekaniko and alam niya yung aming sasakyan. And sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng aking change oil na Suzuki Stingray, makikita mo yan sa previous vlog ko. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all for today. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para naman malaman nyo kung meron akong bagong uploads. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye for now.